In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the impact method. I'm Sarah Olivieri. I'm a #1 international best-selling author, former executive director, the heart behind PivotGround, and I'm the creator of the impact method. The impact method is a focused, efficient framework to help you run your nonprofit better so that you can make a bigger impact without getting overwhelmed and burning out. It has some tremendous benefits. The benefits are huge, but the actual work involved is relatively straightforward and simple because we've chosen to change our approach in how we run our nonprofits when we implement the impact method. And each of our actions now achieves many benefits. So when you implement the impact method, your strategic plan will always be done. You'll be out of that 3 or 5 year cycle of having to redo a plan, and you'll never be without a plan. Your transition plan, in case of emergency, will also be in place. You'll have a roadmap for building your team. You'll have an implementation plan always in place and easy to check up on. Your brand will be clearly identified. You'll have a clear sense of identity as an organization, which you can build great marketing and fundraising campaigns on. And your team will have meetings that they love, they will be happier than ever, and you'll begin to have key metrics that will really mean something to you and help you move forward. And with all of this, boards of nonprofits also get better clarity and understanding and confidence in how the organizations are moving forward. It all happens because we use these 3 concepts, and when you put each of these 3 things together in an optimized way, like we've already done for you in the impact method, you get a synergistic effect that leverages an incredible amount of simple steps that have huge results. So it's the key is to doing all 3 of these things together. What are the 3 things? We have a process for improvement, an actionable strategy, and a modus operandi. Modus operandi is a way of having both that aligned team and a way of organizing all the people in your organization so they can really work together effectively. Let's take a deeper look at what each one of these things involves. The process of improvement, we call this our cycle of renewal, and it's a cadence of work, review, and respite that helps create forward momentum in your organization. It's a change mechanism, and it's the same change mechanism you'll actually use to implement the impact method in your organization. In its simplest form, it's a series of meetings that happen every 2 months, another set of meetings that happen every 2 weeks, and an optional 3rd set of meetings that happen weekly if needed. Our actionable strategy is a 2-part impact strategy, which replaces your strategic plan, and a continuous action plan, which is your implementation plan. The impact strategy is an iterative strategy, which means you're going to take it a little farther into the future and improve it every 2 months. Your action plan gets broken down into 2-week chunks, and you'll know exactly every day when you get into work exactly what you need to be working on so you can achieve those big goals connected to your mission. Your MO is a combination of who you are as an organization and how you organize your people. And the way we do that is through the heart of the brand, which really helps you get clarity on who you are and that core identity, and the nonprofit blueprint, which is a way for organizing your people that in a way that is going to bring them great joy and also make them work more efficiently and effectively as a team. So that's my brief overview of the impact method. If you'd like to have a conversation with me one-on-one about it, please go to pivotground.com/apply, and I'd be happy to answer any of your questions.